News from India's tech world, the central government has moved around 12 lakh employees to Zoho Mail. Earlier, all government officials used email IDs like nic.in or government.in, right? That system was handled by NIC, the National Informatics Centers. Now the email addresses will remain the same, but the hosting system has changed. Earlier, emails were stored on NIC servers. Now they will be hosted on Zoho servers. So basically same ID but new engine behind it. Why the shift? There are three main reasons. First, Swadeshi push. The government wants to use more Indian mode technology, and Zoho is a proud Indian company based in Tamil Nadu. Second reason, better security control. Many employees were using random open source tools for official work. That creates data risk. Now Zoho provides everything: mail, docs, spreadsheet and presentations all in one safe place. Third reason, official audits done. Before switching, Zoho systems were checked by NIC, CERT-IN and software quality auditors to ensure safety and privacy. Now let's talk about security, the most important part. Zoho says all data will stay within India under Indian law and control. And yes, encryption is being rolled out soon for all emails. Zoho's founder Sridhar Vembu says, we don't access your data. Still people are asking, is trust enough or do we need stronger encryption? That's an ongoing debate. So what stays the same? Your government email IDs like government.in and nic.in will stay the same. Only the backend has changed, not the look or feel. This Zoho contract will run for 7 years and the goal is to make government communication faster, safer and 100% Indian control. So in short, this move is about digital independence, a major step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat in tech. But yes, we still have to see how Zoho handles encryption and privacy at scale. What do you think? Is this the right move for India's data security? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.